In order to manage app notifications on OPPO Reno 15, all we have to do is we need to go to Settings. Next, in Settings, we should be able to find Notifications and Quick Settings. Now, if we scroll down, we can see the list of apps. They are sorted by the most recent notifications, or apps that sent you notifications most recently. We can also switch from Recent over here to All, so you can see the list alphabetically. And you can choose any of these apps in order to manage notifications for them. You can completely deactivate or activate notifications, and you can also find sometimes specific notification categories. I'm gonna try to find something, although I'm not sure if I can so easily. Sometimes you can also see additional settings in the app, so this option allows you to quickly be redirected to the app settings where we can manage notifications. And that is pretty much it. I think in messages we can find, yeah. So sometimes we have very specific notifications categories that we can manage in here. Leave a like and subscribe.